Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Come on home to this beautiful property called Pleasant View, which sits on approximately 3/4 of an acre with its stunning panoramic view of the mountains and the coastline. This property is located in Highgate, St. Mary, and is fruited with lychee, naseberry, nutmeg, jackfruit, coconut, citrus, and mangoes, among others. The main house has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms with lower and upper rear patios, allowing you to enjoy the cool climate and breathtaking views with undisturbed pleasure, leisure, serenity, or work. The property has 2 detached 1 bedroom cottages with combined income potential of over $60,000. Additional development possibilities are option if you so desire. Make this your dream home as wonderful opportunities awaits you. Reasonable offers will be considered. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 350,000 or Jamaican $53.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.